Let's draw a spotted jaguar. First, draw its head. And a muzzle. Good job! Now draw long whiskers. Wonderful! Draw spots on Jaguar's head. Excellent! And add round ears. How beautiful! Now draw its body. And add spots on its body. Super! Draw a long tail. First rate. Draw paws for your jaguar so it can run fast. And 2 more paws. You did a wonderful job! Amazing jaguar!